Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do peanut rice. So in this pot is 1.5 cups of water. Alright, so I use this measuring cup. This is 1 cup. So this is 1 cup of raw peanuts already washed. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. You can add about half teaspoon, right? A few pimento seeds. Let me see, 5 pimento seeds. Pimento is what you call allspice in other country. So 5 pimento seeds. If you want, you can also add a little piece of ginger root. I am not going to use any ginger root because I am watching my potassium intake. 2 cloves garlic. So now I'm going to cover the pot and allow the peanuts to cook until they are soft. So now I'm going to add some more water, about 1 cup of water, to sink the peanuts. Right? So they will go back to the bottom of the pot. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow them to cook before, well, partially cook, before I put in the scallion, the thyme, and the hot pepper. So after 20 minutes, I am adding fresh thyme, 1 green hot pepper, and remove the stem so that the flavor from the pepper can steep through where the stem was, right? And then I am adding 1 stalk scallion. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow the peanuts to cook and infuse with the flavors from the pepper, the thyme, and the scallion. The peanuts are cooked, so I turn off the stove. So I'm just tasting one of the peanut, right? And it is soft, so it is cooked. So now I am removing the hot pepper, the scallion and thyme, because I have no more purpose for them. They already served their purposes, right? And that is to add flavor. So I'm returning the 1 and 2 peanuts that accidentally removed while I was removing the scallion and the hot pepper and the thyme. Okay. So I'm adding the coconut milk. Okay, so at this point, some people will add powdered season or whatever you want to add, but and butter as well, or margarine. But for me, basically, I am not gonna put anything into the pot. I'm not gonna put powdered seasoning, neither butter nor margarine, because the coconut milk already contains oil, so I don't need any more butter. But as I say, do what pleases you. So right now I'm just gonna give the pot a gently stir, and then I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to come to a full boil before adding the rice. Oh, I am gonna add a little bit. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. So I'm gonna pour some in the palm of my hand. Oh, I am gonna add a little bit more salt. Remember that I added some salt to it already so that the peanuts can boil with the salt. It needs a little bit more salt. So I am gonna add just a little bit more salt to it. Right? And then I'm gonna give it a gentle stir. And then I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to come to a full boil on medium high heat before adding the rice. After adding the rice, I'm gonna reduce the heat to low or to medium low to cook the rice, right? So I wash the rice until the water runs clear. And then I'm adding the rice to the pot, making sure that the coconut milk barely covers the rice, right? Gonna give it a good stir, then cover and cook the rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna steam the rice. So what I'm gonna do now is to turn the heat to the lowest settings and then cover the rice with a piece of foil paper, and then cover the pot and steam the rice for like 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, after that, turn off the stove, fluff the rice and let it sit in the pot for about, say, 5 minutes or so before dishing out. Yeah, man, so this is peanut rice. You can try the recipe and see if you like it. Yeah, I like peanut rice. I cook it from time to time when I'm tired of the red kidney beans, or as we say in Jamaica, red peas, or sometimes I use cowpeas as well. That is a pimento seed right there that I'm gonna remove. Right, that is the pimento seed. Thanks for watching. Remember to share my videos, subscribe, click the bell icon. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Yeah, man, walk good until next time. Yeah, man, bless up every time.